This was unexpected.
Oh, we've had a big crash for Alex. No, we haven't. Oh my goodness! Is he going to save it?
Randy Mamola.
Oh!
Bro thought he had escaped death. Bro forgot how to use brakes. Everybody falling. Please don't try this at home. Bro was on fire.
Sigma. Oh, dear me. That had let go, hadn't it? That's a blow-up. He's going to jump off this. There's fire going to come out of it. He's just going to dump it, I think, Alex, isn't he? Yeah.